Hey everyone, Kim Tui here from Belvista Studios. This week, Learning Technologies 2019 over in the UK was happening. Our team in London went along and they met some friends. In this video, let's hear what tips and learnings they had to share from the people that they met around the conference.
Hi everyone, I'm James McLuckie. I work for Good Practice and I think my top tip today is I've seen lots of really cool stuff. People are doing some really interesting things. What I've really liked is how the design of the stands has stepped up. People have been really creative. But I think for me, the thing I always come back to is performance outcomes and learning outcomes. So you can have the best stand in the world, you can have some really innovative products, but if at their core it's not really addressing performance issues, then it's not going to have any genuine purpose. So when I look at all this stuff going on, that's the question I always ask is how will it help me solve a problem? How will it help me to overcome a challenge? And actually I've been really pleased to see that hear that a lot of people actually have had a good answer to that. So yeah, it's been a really interesting first day at Learning Technologies.
I would say that my top tip is to, instead of spend a lot of time networking, is to find a few people on LinkedIn, really look at them, what they do, what interests them, what interests you in them, and then reach out to them directly and start this relationship.
My biggest takeaway at the moment has been around the stuff that happens after the learning. So Will Thalheimer did a great talk on evaluation, which got me thinking about using evaluation and using the data to nudge people and do stuff after the event, not just about what happened in the learning, but how we can continue that as part of an ongoing process. Also then having a look at the HT2 Labs guys' new tool Sparks, which really does that. It automates that whole process to create some nudges and things. So I think that's the big thing, is not just about what's happening in the learning, but what we can do after the learning and how we can engage with people throughout the process, as they go on.
So I was really excited to come to Learning Technologies today. This is my second year in a row, and I think what really stood out for me for today's sessions and by going through all the stalls was that often we can get really excited about the amount of tools that are out there and the shiny and amazing things we can use to create really cool solutions, but we really need to go back to basics and look at what is actually the problem that we're dealing with and what objectives are we looking at for each course. And I think if we go back to those basics, we can create really impactful learning. So I guess that's what stood out for me, not just looking at all the shiny and amazing new tools, but really understanding what the problem is and starting off with that before we start looking at tools. But I had an amazing day, and yeah, that was my top learning.
If you were at Learning Technologies this year, please share your learnings and your key takeaways from the conference in the comments below so that we can help other learning and development practitioners that weren't there understand what kind of experience they can get, and also to refocus or reprioritize where they should be spending their time as a learning and development practitioner. From everyone at the Belvista Studios team, have an awesome day and thanks for watching the video.